recently have taken up Tai Chi, which I really enjoy and has been very good for me. The meditative aspects of it, the pattern, the choreography, I learned a lot about the mind-body connection.
To oceanographer Penny Chisholm, the prospect of retirement seems unthinkable. She wonders what will come of the tiny sea creatures in her lab. Theirs is a scientific bond forged over decades, beginning at the ends of the Earth. In 1987, Chisholm boarded a ship bound for a remote region of the North Atlantic with a team of researchers and a $75,000 medical imaging device called a flow cytometer, the first time one had been assembled at sea. Designed to image individual cells in the body, one after another, its laser would let them see the diversity of phytoplankton, photosynthesizing microbes responsible for half the Earth's oxygen. When the team turned it on, they saw something small in the seawater, 100 times smaller than the width of a human hair. It had been slipping through filters undetected. It was alive, green.
They were smaller than anything anybody thought existed as a photosynthetic cell.
The team had discovered the smallest and most abundant photosynthesizing single-celled organism on Earth, a phytoplankton tinier than all others. They called it Prochlorococcus, meaning green berry, and with it, Chisholm would chart a new course for oceanography. The compact size made lab work maddening, but it also meant Chisholm could view the ocean's ecology from the smallest interactions to the global stage.
So that's what kept me sticking with Prochlorococcus, even though it was incredibly difficult in the beginning.
Prochlorococcus began to reveal ecological secrets. It stabilized entire marine ecosystems, thrived in warming oceans, and it was responsible for about 5% of Earth's oxygen. In a sense, you can thank Prochlorococcus for 1 out of every 20 breaths you take. The discoveries would turn ecology upside down.
Prochlorococcus leads the way. It tells us what to do.
And Prochlorococcus seemed primed for a world tour. Chisholm obliged. TV, exhibitions, it even stars in a series of children's books Chisholm wrote to kickstart ecology education. Chisholm believes its small size may even hold the secret to renewable energy.
It is the smallest genome, the smallest amount of information that can convert solar energy and carbon dioxide into organic carbon, which is fuel.
If Prochlorococcus's genetics can teach us how to do artificial photosynthesis, scientists could power the world with a new renewable biofuel, and with the ability to make carbohydrates from sunlight, we could produce food in regions unfit for farming. For now, Prochlorococcus still guides Chisholm's research, a constant on her journey through the great ebb and flow of life.
My Tai Chi teacher is actually a scientist. We talk about Chi a lot, even though we don't know what it is. At first, I was incredibly skeptical about the whole thing, but I now can feel it, whatever it is. So if you can feel it, it is. It doesn't matter what it is.